movie Dangal earned over 2,070 crore rupees globally, making it the highest-grossing Indian film of all time. Domestic box office collection. 1. In India, Dangal earned 538.03 crore rupees from all languages. 2. It became the highest-grossing Indian film domestically on January 9, 2017. And 3. It had 37 million admissions at the domestic Indian box office. Overseas box office collection. 1. 63% of Dangal's total earnings came from China, which is 1,305 crore rupees. 2. In Australia, Dangal grossed $1,451,253. 3. In South Korea, Dangal grossed $826,567. And 4. In New Zealand, Dangal grossed $461,846. Budget. Dangal was made on an estimated budget of 90 crore rupees. 70 crore rupees were spent on production and the remaining 20 crore rupees were used for promotion and marketing. Other details. Dangal was released in 2016 and stars Aamir Khan. It was directed by Nitesh Tiwari.